It's a controversial topic in Florida, and now a family in Oregon is trying to show the world it can sometimes be the best solution. They're using it to treat their son who is autistic. He has violent rages, and we have to warn you, too, that this video we're about to show you, it is a little bit difficult to watch. Fox's Nicole Dahl has his story. It's difficult to watch this video of an Oregon child hurting himself in a fit of rage. 11-year-old Alex Eccles is severely autistic. His self-destructive behavior brought on by tuberous sclerosis, a genetic disorder that affects about 50,000 people in the U.S. It causes growths in organs, in Alex's case, primarily in the brain. Those growths can lead to seizures and autism. Alex can't communicate with words, making it difficult to understand what's troubling him.
Indescribable. It was horrifying. He was able to just be acting normal and all of a sudden just run himself to a wall.
His parents have turned to a controversial treatment, medical marijuana, to manage Alex's behavior.
Well, when you've got no other options, are you honestly going to say no?
It wasn't always this way, though.
He was actually going to be Jake for the longest time, and when he was born, we saw him and said, that's not Jake, that's Alex.
The day Alex was born, Jeremy and Karen Eccles were full of hope until 6 weeks later, when their baby had his first seizure.
We didn't know he was going to be autistic at that time. I think he was 3 the first time he started hurting himself, though.
By the time Alex was 5, it was intense, self-directed rage. Alex headbutted anything he could, bruising his forehead so badly, his father says the blood would drain until Alex's entire face was black and blue. They got him a helmet, swaddled him like a newborn, tried mood-altering drugs. But Alex's daily violent behavior became the Eugene family's new normal. When he was 8, they made the heartbreaking decision to move Alex into a state-funded group home.
It was like we were throwing him away. Like we were just giving him to somebody else and saying, sorry, buddy, you're not part of the family anymore. It was pretty rough.
But was there a way to help him, to bring back this smiling boy? Alex's parents looked into Oregon's medical marijuana program, and a doctor approved Alex. Alex is now one of about 50 Oregon children with a card like this. While autism is not a qualifying medical condition like cancer or severe pain, in Alex's case, the seizures are. And after a few months of treatment, the Eccles say they saw a dramatic improvement.
He went from hitting himself, blooding his face. Within an hour and a half, he would be playing with toys, using his hands, something that at that time was almost unheard of.
It's an extremely rare occurrence for Alex.
Alex's group home won't give him the marijuana, so about 3 times a week, his parents give him a liquid form of the drug. Oregon law does not require a doctor to monitor a child's medical marijuana use. In fact, Alex's neurologist at Dornbecker Children's Hospital didn't know about the alternative treatment until we told him. Did it surprise you that they were trying something like this?
No, I don't think so at all. I certainly am very much with them in my desire to help Alex. All of us want to help Alex.
Alex's doctor didn't speak directly about the controversy of using medical marijuana on children, but the American Academy of Pediatrics is against it. A doctor representing that group tells me that marijuana is toxic to children's developing brains, and there isn't enough known about the drug's long-term effects.
For us, the long-term side effects that are unknown for something that can't kill him are a lot better than the long-term side effects of him beating himself bloody.
The Eccles also say they're not advocating the use of medical marijuana for all autistic children, but they say walk a mile in their shoes, and the treatment might not seem so extreme.
Yeah, put your little sister on your lap.
Well, Alex's parents say they videotaped his episodes to prove his injuries were self-inflicted, and they have created a website about Alex's journey that includes a blog with updates about how he's doing. If you would like to read more about their story, all you have to do is head to our website. We have it all right there. A lot of people want to know about him. It's myfoxtampabay.com, and click on the Seen on TV section.
All right, down to the hunt for an inmate.